Hi everyone! Nature always surprises us with magical moments you might never witness again in real life. Join Wow Earth as we uncover 1 in a billion moments in nature through a crystal lens, where each moment is a stunning display of nature. Indonesia, and the Philippines. This tiny sea slug measures just about 6 to 9 millimeters in size. It looks just like a sheep with a thick, soft, leaf-like coat. The leaf sheep mainly feeds on sea algae, which also acts as the primary ingredient for their photosynthesis process. The process of consuming food allows them to perform photosynthesis, which is why the leaf sheep's coat glows. Thanks to this unique ability, they are nicknamed the solar-powered sea slugs. To this day, the question of why a sea creature like the leaf sheep is able to photosynthesize like a plant remains a mystery hidden generations. The heartwarming moment of motherhood between a koala mom and her baby. This skiing adventure takes the thrill to a whole new level, making the adrenaline-packed sport more interesting and challenging than ever. Alright, get ready to fly with me to Hogwarts on this special edition of Nimbus 2000.
Stuff, but nothing like this. There's a palm floating right in the middle of the...
A politician in California saw a palm branch floating in mid-air, defying the laws of gravity by chance. Could it be saying, "Hop on, that's your ride"?